Dear users, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the most probable answers of the assignment 6 of our course Developing Soft Skills and Personality under NPTEL. The last date of submission of this assessment is 6th of October 2021. So, without taking much time, we are just moving towards the very first question. Match the quotations with the corresponding authors. In this, option B is correct. Second question, the statement flying planes can be dangerous is an ambiguous one. Using it in your communication without adequate contextual explanation would cause ineffective communication. What is the deciding factor to determine the effectiveness of communication? When the receiver acknowledges and reciprocates in some form that she has fully understood the message and its subtext. When a wife who had promised to reach at 5 pm to go to the movies with her husband reached at 8 pm, instead of getting angry with him, the husband remained calm and wanted to know first what made her come late. The husband possesses which of the following qualities? Empathy. Many interpersonal proposals get rejected because the best psychological moment was not utilized. Which of the following is not a barrier to information flows in organizations? Democratic environment. In your team, in office, there are 20 people from different cultural backgrounds. Which of the following is the best way to be a good communicative leader with them? First, try to understand the cultural background that each person comes from. What, according to you, is the most important lesson picked by the Stephen Covey on the New York survey? It is important to learn things from someone else's perspective before arriving at a judgment. You are called by your boss to his office for a discussion. On entering the room, you find that he is sitting with his legs on the table and hands clasped at the back of his head. You can interpret this non-verbal sign as an indication of friendliness. During a group discussion, a girl is turning her face away from you. You can interpret it as something in you is making her develop a sense of dislike for you. For composing an effective email, identify what should you avoid doing from the following. Leave a blank subject line. Keep on adding RE for reply every time you write a reply mail, typing the body in full capital letters. Use only well-known and common abbreviations. The ability to cause the intended and desired response. The ability to influence people with your message. In these questions, there are some doubts, so you can also provide your suggestions that what can be the right options for this question. So we will be waiting for these in the comment box. Question number 13. Which of the following statements, if taken out of context, can misguide the listener regarding their meaning? Manali gave a bath to her dog wearing a pink t-shirt. You can't have your cake and eat it too. I have someone on the hill with a telescope. For this question too, you please provide your suggestions in the comment box. Which of the following are components of effective communication? Genuineness and interest, empathy, and a sense of timing. Which of the following are part of personality variation in communication? Difference in cultural backgrounds of the speaker and listener, difference in sense of perception between the two. Which of the following are part of emotional barriers to effective communication? Fear, anger, jealousy, low self-esteem. What are some of the overcoming strategies for language barriers in communication? Whenever you use a polysemous word, make the context very clear. While speaking, correlate your intentions with positive non-verbal gestures. Ask questions and seek feedback till you are sure that your intended message has been effectively delivered. Be as clear and concise as possible with your message. Suggest possible ways in which one can surmount organizational barriers to effective communication. Flattening of organizational structure, promoting horizontal communication, provide sufficient information through formal channels. Always ask for feedback from employees. Involuntary body language reveals a person's true feelings, inner thoughts. One can overcome an angry tone in interpersonal transaction by lowering of voice, gaining the trust of the other person, maintaining calmness. Now, true false type of questions. Silence can be used as a powerful means of dominance. True. Communication is a one-way process involving shared assumptions and unspoken agreements. False. Communication is a one-way process involving shared assumption and unspoken agreements. False. these two questions are exactly the same, so there will be a correction in future. Maximum use of technological aids for communication enhances the effectiveness of communication. False. Love as well as hatred can act as barriers to communication. However, rather than love, hatred interferes much more as a barrier in communication. True. So this was all from the assignment 6. Thanks for giving your precious time. See you soon in the next video assignment. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.